Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will show you the different types of figures of speech. But before anything else, I would like to share with you my simple introduction.
So what is figures of speech? A figures of speech is a word or phrase using figurative language to color and interest and to awaken the imagination. Figures of speech are the following. Alliteration is when there is a repetition of sound within a phrase or sentence. Example: she sells seashells on the seashore. Anaphora is when a word is repeated multiple times within a phrase. Example: he had one apple, one banana and other one pear. Assonance is the similarity in sound between vowels in the middle of neighboring words. Example: how now, brown, cow. Chiasmus is when two sentences are balanced against one another but with words reversed. Example: work to live and do not live to work. Euphemism is the replacement of a phrase which might be deemed offensive by one, which implies the same meaning but does not carry offense with it. Example: instead of he died, you would say he passed away. Hyperbole is a term which uses an exaggeration to add a more dramatic meaning to the sentence. Example: my bag weighs a ton. Irony is a statement which conveys the exact opposite meaning of what is literally being said. Example: the fire station burned to the ground. And last one is litotes, an understatement which applies a negative to express a meaning of the affirmative. Example: that dress is not too bad.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and hit the bell all to keep you updated. God bless and keep safe always. Bye.